Prophet Joshua. Reka iyikurikira nayo Goga Patrick nawe nabaruke. Twongera twibutsa abamaze kuronka izo certificate murabe ko amazina yanditse neza. Goga Patrick nawe amashimesi gukurikirana inyigisho. Amashimesi
I explained this one. Offer the better quality than your competitors at the same price. Price. I told you customers want the better quality at a lower price. Don't say now I added value, now I need to increase the price. There are factors that help you to increase price, and I'm going to talk about them. Unless you understand those, don't increase your price. Quality is whatever the customer says it is. It's not what you think it is. You will be surprised what people like. You saw they brought me shirts. I went for blue. Someone will say, why do you want blue? Yellow is better. I want blue. So clients want what they want. Haven't you seen yellow cars? Every time I sit down, I'm like, why would someone buy a yellow? But the ones who manufacture them know their clients. They know that there is a guy somewhere in Burundi who drives yellow cars. And for you, you should not have a problem with that. But there is someone who's changing their product because of the clients. I can't believe these clients. They want yellow. No. That's your client. That is quality. Finding out what your customers need and giving it to them faster than your competitors. I explained this one. I was saying, in 2007, someone came and told me there is a phone that does not have buttons. I could not believe it. It refused to enter my mind. I told him, don't waste my time, I'm going. And we argued for almost 2 weeks. Until someone brought the phone. I looked at the phone. It had no button. Now the question was, how does this thing work? I could not believe it was like magic. Now, if you tell me that someone who has a phone with buttons here, I will be surprised. Do you see? The market got to a point where it was a normal thing to have no buttons on the phone. If the market changes, you must change. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Increase convenience. People don't understand. People are willing to pay for convenience. People will pay any amount. Can you imagine? The most expensive car in the world, Rolls Royce, has an umbrella in a door.
and someone is going to pay millions
Munakaria amamiliyoni.
to just have an umbrella.
Kugira ngo umutaka mu muryango ntuzeho.
Now, for you may say, what do I need an umbrella for?
Very tell mutaka ndawukenere iki.
There are people who need that.
Hari abantu bakeneye umutaka muri Rolls Royce.
Convenience. If you
Follow
ever
him.
driven expensive cars,
Niyo maze gutwara imiduga izimvye.
they have heated seats.
Zirafise intebe zishuha sha.
When it's cold, you can heat yourself.
Hakanye urashusha intebe wicayeko.
You don't need to go for massage. You can press a button.
Haza
on the
guciya
chair and
muri
massage.
massage intebe irakunyukura neza ikakorosha umugongo.
Now, as an African from Burundi, you will say, why do I need a massage?
Umunyafrika ndira muri Zambia yo gaha mu Burundi bati nkeneye massage yo muri
But I'm
Rashaki.
telling you, people are paying a lot of money for that.
Ndabwira nti iyo miduga irazimvye abantu barayatanga kugira ngo baronke iyo
And those
massage.
who know
Kandi ababizi
are making a lot of money from giving people convenience.
baronka amafaranga menshi mu gutuma ukorohereza abantu mu kubaha ibintu biborohereza mu
And this is why hotels are now losing to the Airbnb business. Airbnb.
Okay. Rero ohani amahoteli ariko arahombera kubera abantu bazana ayo ma Airbnb cyangwa izo ntebe mu buryo bworoshe abantu bakabirongera ahandi hantu
Because
ariko barabikora.
a hotel wants you to show up
Kuko iyo hoteli ishaka ko uyigushikayo
and be like what we used to be in banks.
akavuga byari biri muri ya mabanki
Bring
kiyo
your ID,
kuzana akarangamuntu yawe tugushire ku murongo
fill in this form, and the form is
uzuza
from
formulaire
there.
ya murongo ushikari ya kuri KCB kuri basera batutina.
Then you have to walk through 5 people.
Hamukarengana hagati y'abantu batanu bakurana.
Now with Airbnb business,
Ariko bibira hanze mu buryo bworoshe
you book on the app,
wandika ije ku application ya
they
Airbnb
clean the apartment,
bakakubura inzu yawe atari buri
you show up, use your apartment, and the owner will never know you.
wewe nanyene yishira hamwe cyangwa yindi nzu
Leave the keys and you go.
wowe usiga imfunguzo akazaga kubura bakagenda
They leave the keys in the door, you find them.
usiga urufunguzo mu muryango bakarusangamo.
Now people have walked away from hotels into Airbnb.
Abantu baravuye mu by'amahoteli ubereye mu application ya amaserivisi atangirwa kuri mu rukara
And
bumenyi.
hotel businesses are still taking IDs.
Amahoteli aracasaba pasiporo na karangamuntu yango bakwandika uraye.
Convenience.
Rero korohereza abantu.
Don't ask for IDs.
Ntukasabe karangamuntu.
We left.
Iyo twarabihebye.
If you are on the app,
Niyo muri ku rubuga
you have already registered your details.
wamaze kwandika ibikenewe byose
I always get
bikuranga.
surprised with some hotels.
Ndetse amahoteli mwana.
If a person is coming in as a VIP,
Niba umuntu aje nk'umuvuye ku hoteli yawe.
why do you need him to stand to fill the form?
Kubera ko ukenera ko ahagarara kuri reception yuzuza formulaire ya complete ya complete.
They are just people who are just not business oriented.
Hari abantu mu mitwe yabo itari mu rudandazo bari mu bindi bintu.
Convenience.
Korohereza abantu.
Now, by the way, you can make a lot of money out of convenience.
Ushobora kuronka amafaranga menshi mu gukora ibintu byorohereza abantu.
So whatever you're doing in your business,
Ivyo ukora kuri uruzo rwawe.
always put a part for those who have their money.
Wame ushiraho igisata cy'abajya bafise ifaranga zawe nyinshi
Like delivery services.
cyane nk'aho kubarunyikira iyo bakeneye iwabo.
Like we call it what? Like first class treatment.
Canke abantu boroherezwa mu bintu byo mu rwego rwo hejuru batakirwa hamwe n'abandi.
Someone is willing to pay any amount of money as long as they don't go in the normal way other people go.
Hari umuntu igize kureba amafaranga yose akenewe igihe cyose umwemerera ko niba abandi batonze hajya we aza
You are losing a lot of money. You are losing a lot of money.
akoresha amafaranga utakaza amafaranga menshi cyane
Because for you,
kuko wowe
you know business to be traditional.
uzi yuko urudandazwa rukogwa bakwiye bacuranga inanga ati nahanyera umugozi n'uyu
Let me tell you this.
bakubwira ikintu kimwe.
Do you know the biggest media company today?
wari uzishira ikimenyeshamakuru cya mbere gikomeye n'umunsi cyari cyo.
Who knows the biggest media company?
Ni ndazi ishirahamwe rya n'ikimenyeshamakuru gikomeye no munsi.
See? Twitter hasn't taken over Facebook. Facebook is still champion.
Twitter ntirahengera
But at least he has
Facebook iracari yawe.
the point.
Ariko uko biri kose mugara
The one who has said CNN is so wrong.
abavuga CNN nabo barihenze cyane.
In terms of revenue,
Mu bijanye no kwinjiza umwimbu
down.
bari hasi cyane.
They remained on their big cameras, big
Bakorera
cameras.
amakamera n'amatelefone
They forgot that people now
bibanye ko abantu bose
consume information by well-trained journalists.
nibacikira amakuru avuye ku bamenyesha amakuru bavyigiye
People are
neza.
receiving information from normal people.
Amakuru bayakora ku bantu basanzwe bayabaye.
I can ask many of you here,
Ushobora kubaza abantu benshi ngaha
where you get the news as of now, where you usually get your news.
niyo ukura amakuru uno munsi hatuvuga.
You will be surprised. You go to television to verify.
Uja kuri televiziyo gusa
You
gusuzuma
will have already seen.
ivyo bamaze kubona muri Twitter n'ahandi.
Guys, you can't believe what is happening.
Hewe ntimuzi biko biraba ngahaye mu utaheje kwitabana bahejeje.
Then you go to the news to verify.
Ugenda mu televiziyo saa 2 z'umugoroba kurapa ari byo.
Now, the biggest media company now
Rero ishira ukimesha ngo ikomeye cyane
is
mu
social media.
ni ibyo
Social media.
ni muruki ni ntuzefu
A social media
imbuga nkoranyambaga ufise iryo shira hamwe
is the biggest television today.
niyo televiziyo ikomeye uno munsi hari.
Who tells you the biggest hotel is not going to be the same?
Ninde ubwenge hotel izabe ikomeye muri kazo nitwiye gukora mu buryo bwo kugangurukana menshi.
Let me ask another question.
Reka basi nikibazo.
Who knows the biggest supermarket in the world? The biggest retailer?
Nindazi imangazini ya mbere ikomeye detail cyane gusubiza indi kwisi.
Need I to add?
Nongere kubindi.
Walmart is no longer the biggest.
Umva zimwe za Walmart zinzigiriza ikomeye cyane.
But if you ask him,
Ariko umubajije,
take me to a physical supermarket called Amazon.
nyereka nari mangazini ya Amazon nje kuyigura ikintu niba ubwizi.
Because they understood.
Kuko batawe.
People got bored of pushing carts in the supermarket.
Abantu barashaka basunika yashariye muri
Over to my house. Bring it
Umva
over.
binzanire muhira andajyanye mu gitanda.
So if you don't learn to give people convenience,
Utinze guha abantu
a
biborohereza.
lot of money is going in the convenience business.
Amafaranga menshi ariko arajya mu byorohereza abantu cyane.
Learn how to make work easy for people.
Wiga ukuntu ureza abantu gukora akazi borohewe.
You will reap money.
Aho amafaranga uzoyisasira.
Offer plan discounts.
Bafite mwene abantu rero hano.
Look at this point.
Ndaba kino kintu hano.
In adding value.
Mu bitendo kongera agaciro.
Offer a service or product to clearly identifiable markets.
Tanga amaserivisi meza kugira ngo ushobore kumenya isoko iri kirakora.
Now, most people when they're starting business,
Yera abantu batambuye amagereza babo,
they just want to make money.
bagomba kuronka amafaranga ubwo nyine.
Money does not come because you want it.
Amafaranga ndaza ngo nuko wayaronse cyangwa uyashaka,
Money follows the principle if you are changing, impacting a life.
amafaranga buri gihe habe rivuga ngo nimba uri kurahindura ubuzima ukazana impinduka mu kibano.
Bring me 5 successful business people
Zane abantu batanu baroraniwe cyane batunze,
and 5 failed businesses,
namenye n'indandazwa zitanu zahombye.
and I'll show you someone who changed people's life and someone who's not changing anyone.
Weke umuntu yahinduye ubuzima bw'abantu utahinduye ubuzima bw'abantu.
Do you understand that?
Ibyo murabitahura.
Business comes if you are changing somebody's life.
Urudandazwa rugenda neza igihe uri kurahindura ubuzima bw'umuntu kanaka.
You get the point?
Murabitahura.
So your business, you must ask yourself, my clients, am I changing their life or they are just giving me money and taking it?
Mu rudandazwa tugiye kwibaza mbega abantu banje ndiko ndabahindura ubuzima cyane ndiko ndabatwara amafaranga gusa.
And that's why social media
Aho niho imbuga nkoranyambaga
took over.
zafashe ngira ibintu byose.
They understood that people want convenience.
Batoye ko abantu bashaka koroherwa.
Now guess what? You join a social media platform.
Dufate mu gihe ku rubuga nkoranyambaga rwose
Without you knowing.
wewe utarabimenya.
For example, TikTok, the new one.
Hakarero mashasha TikTok.
When you go to TikTok,
Ugiye kuri TikTok,
the things which you are seeing
ibintu ubonayo
are the things which you like.
nibyo ucukunda.
And some people don't know.
Kandi abantu umusongira ubushakashatsi mu byerekeye ko interior.
The internet can train you to be one.
Internet ishobora kukwigisha ukaba mwiza cyane muri byo.
Because it now begins to bring to you your desires.
Kuko itambo yo kuzanira ibyo ushaka bikuzanira.
First time I entered Facebook in 2009,
Jya kuri Facebook 2009
I entered like this.
narinjiye
And they said, so and so would like to be your friend.
bacavuga tuyu mugabo uriya ashaka
And
umugenzi
it
wawe.
was somebody I knew.
Sanga n'abantu usanzwe
I
nzi.
said, this is a demon.
Navuga tuyu n'umudayimoni aha rero kuri Facebook irakaze.
But it's because they had picked my email.
Ariko nuko batoye email yanje.
And they knew the email I already have in my phone.
Hama bacamenya ama email isanzwe mfise muri contact yanje muri bot yanje.
So they become big because when you go there now, you find the people you want, you last saw in a long time.
Bacamira kure ko tubona abantu mazingi utabona.
So they are changing your life.
Bacabahimba bari kubahindura ubuzima
And
bwawe.
you get glued on them.
Maze nawe ugacabumira kuri boti chaki.
And you end up giving them money.
Ugasanga rero amafaranga umubinjiriza.
Or if you don't give them money,
Hama nimutabaye amafaranga.
someone is giving them money to know you.
Hari umuntu ariko arabatanga amafaranga kugira ngo akumenye wewe.
But in your small shop in Burundi,
Ariko muri kakamangazini ka mu Burundi gatoya.
you don't think like this.
Niwiyumvira nk'uko.
You just open, put up your clothes and allow people.
Woruguruka manika impuzu ukayinjira baje wicaye ugatebe.
These people want to change.
Abantu bagomba guhinduka.
Plan discounts.
Kugira reduction ziri planifiye cyane amasolde.
Oh, this one.
Ibi rero ngaha.
If you are, for those who have traveled, who are well traveled, You have been in big supermarkets. Carrefour, ShopRite,
Walmart,
Woolworth, and the rest. You will see that they will always have a figure crossed, and then they tell you the new figure. The truth, that's a lie. But they understand that instead of you asking for a discount, they have actually proved to you that they have already discounted. So there is a satisfaction you get by knowing that it has been discounted. Try it in your business, you will see. If someone is buying a shirt, tell them, you see. Actually, at the beginning of April, I cut these shirts from 20,000 to 10,000. They will pay. But if it's 10,000, they will ask for a lower price. Try it, you will see. Go in your shop and put discount. Cross the previous figure, put a new one. Nobody will negotiate. They will just take. These are things people don't know. Next slide. Business and value added activities. Activities done by a business to add value but add no value to the customer. Have you understood? Remember the watch? The Apple Watch we did yesterday. So everyone wants a watch. It's not important how the straps get off. But Apple understands. If it's easy to remove the straps, you will come back again. Because from when I started using Apple Watches, I cannot want any other watch. Because when you're going to gym, you just change to a gym strap. When you're going to a business meeting, you change to a business strap. But when you have these watches, Rolex, the rest, Swiss, you have to have 10 of them. One for gym, one for this. Adding value that a customer doesn't need, but it's added. There are mistakes I made when I first made money. There are mistakes I made when I first made money. That right now I cannot make. I mean, I did a contract, got money. I realized the car I was driving was not enough. So at 29 years, I had 3 cars parked in my company. So every time I was driving out, I had to first remove this one, take out the one I got, take back this one to 29 years. Those are mistakes I cannot do. The money that should have been reinvested. Who isn't disturbing me every morning? Just the process of getting out of your house. Parking cars. You reverse. Take out this one. And there are people and they love those things. In the morning you come in this car. In the evening you come in this one. In the afternoon, weekend you have another. Create a system to adapt a system.
Prophet Joshua. Reka iyikurikira nayo ni ya Pastor Nkengurutse Edmo Pastor Nkengurutse Edmo arayahabwa nawe na Miss Kenigaruko hamwe n'aba amasimesi cyane. Harakwirikiyeho Pasteur Nishimwe Willy. Saba Brian Kagezi nabo bavanye mu Buganda bayimuhe. Turakwirikirana Pasteur Ndayize. Sewe nawe akaba atubwiye ko ari umuntu akora business zikomeye gose. Abazi amazo yitwa Gatwaro mu Kigobe n'ahandi. Uyu ni nyenezo. Akaba yubaka rero n'inyubako akagurisha. Urumva ko ari umudandaza akomeye. Amasi menshi gose. Ukurikiye ni Pasteur Irambona Sonia. Pasteur Irambona Sonia. Nawe ni inyigisho kuva zitangura ntarasiba kabisa. Amashini menshi gose. Urabona ko abantu baje ku bwinshi kabisa n'abadamu barimo bavuze ati twe ntimudusiga mu iterambere murabenshi. Ukurikiye ni Mpundu Derrick. Mpundu Derrick. Mpundu Derrick. Nawe ni umwe mu bariko bariteza imbere mu gihugu. Yesu urashobora gufasha kandi. Amashi menshi kuri Mpundu Derrick. Cyane turakurikiye na Nkunzimana Joseph. Nkunzimana Joseph. Amashi menshi bamuha certificat yiwe. Dusubire dukurikire na Goga Patrick. Goga Patrick nawe nabahuke. Twongera twibutsa abamaze kuronka izo certificat murabe ko amazina yanditse neza. Goga Patrick nawe amashi menshi gukurikirana inyigisho. Amashi menshi. Turakurikiye na Ndikumana Prosper Merime. Nawe akaba yaje ava muri banki yitwa BBC. Amashi menshi cyane. Sabe uwitwa Ndayisaba Silver nawe anyaruke yabanguke ayihabwa na team yakiva mu Buganda. Nyuma yiwe dukurikire n'undi yitwa Kamikazi Jeannette. Kamikazi Jeannette. Amashi menshi. Turakurikiraho n'undi yitwa Kamoza Magi Ivana. Kamoza Magi Ivana. Ntiyashoboye gushika. Okay. Amashi menshi rero kuri Bettina dukurikirana Iranzi Fabrice. Fabrice yaje. Arasohotse. Reka dukurikire rero n'undi yitwa Kimana Ange Elisa. Amashi menshi. Amashi menshi. dukurikire n'undi yitwa Akimana Jean Pierre. Akimana Jean Pierre nawe nashobora kuba asohotse. Akimana Stacy Leslie. Amashimesi Akimana Stacy Leslie. Amashirero menshi cyane ku bantu bose bakironse